Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video we have learnt about what is DMAT account and the activities and the process of DMAT account. In this video we are going to learn about the transaction, which is very much important to deal practically with stock market. So DMAT account transaction is the topic of this video. So whenever your DMAT account is opened, you get two types of account. One is a trading account and the second is DMAT account. Now I'll explain these two accounts type one by one. So trading account is a account in which you can trade intraday or for the short term. In this account you don't keep your shares. This is for only trading purpose. So for example, if you have bought some shares in intraday trading and you sold them within half an hour or before closing of the market, then this transaction would be considered in trading account, and the transactions profit and loss would be managed in trading account only. These transactions are not going into DMAT account. So what is the DMAT account for? So if you want to keep shares for longer duration of time, for example, if you want to buy 100 shares of SBI Bank and you have, for example, 3 lakhs rupees in your account. So you buy those 100 shares and within 2+ days those shares would be delivered in a DMAT account and you can see them in your DMAT account. So those would not be considered in trading account. Trading account is for only trading. But when you buy any shares for longer duration of time, then that is called DMAT account transaction. Now let's understand the transactions of stock market which we do through DMAT account. So the first transaction we do is NRML or delivery transaction. What is NRML or delivery transaction? You can see in this example, if you right click and buy any stock, you get a transaction screen. So if you want to keep those shares for the longer duration of time, you could select them as delivery or CNC, cash and carry. Cash and carry, it means you can buy shares up to the amount you have in your account. So if you have 1 lakh rupees in your account, you can buy shares up to 1 lakh only. If you have 2 lakhs, then you can buy shares up to 2 lakhs. But you cannot extend this limit of 1 lakh and 2 lakh because delivery transactions are designed that way only. You can buy up to the amount you have in your DMAT account. Now the second type of transaction is called intraday transaction. In intraday transaction, you do your transaction for 1 day. Before closing of the market, you have to clear your position. Say in the morning you have purchased 100 shares of SBI, then you are required to sell them before closing of the market that day. So these are the intraday transactions. This could be for 1 minute or half minute. There is no time limit. If you bought some shares as 100 rupees and within 3 minutes it goes to 110 rupees, you can book your profit and you clear position. So these are the intraday transaction, and those are considered in trading account, not DMAT account, because DMAT account is to keep your transaction for longer duration of time. So these are the main two transactions which we have learned in DMAT account. In the practical video of DMAT account transaction, we are going to learn all the transactions, like what is limit order, what is market order, what is bracket order, what is cover order, and these orders we are going to cover in practical video of DMAT account session. DMAT account is one of the video where you have to give more concentration, because without learning the transaction you cannot implement your strategies in stock market. So keep your concentration on this DMAT transactions video especially, and we are going to see you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you very much.